Imagine a voice so powerful that it helped define the golden era of reggae. A voice that stood beside legends and inspired generations. Marcia Griffiths, the Queen of Reggae, has spent decades shaping the music industry. But beyond the stage, who is Marcia Griffiths? In this video, we uncover her extraordinary journey, her life story, her loving family, and the legacy she continues to build. We'll take you inside her world, from her music career to her lifestyle, home, and net worth. Stay tuned as we celebrate the woman behind the timeless voice of reggae. Marcia Griffiths, affectionately known as the Queen of Reggae, has built a remarkable career spanning over 6 decades, with an estimated net worth of $1 million. Her financial success can be attributed to several key sources. Griffiths' extensive discography includes numerous albums and singles that have resonated with audiences around the world. Her 1989 remix of Electric Boogie, which popularized the electric slide dance, is the best-selling single by a female reggae artist. The song's enduring popularity has generated significant royalties over the years. As a dynamic performer, Griffiths has graced stages across the globe, captivating audiences with her soulful voice and magnetic presence. Her tours, both as a solo artist and as part of groups, have contributed significantly to her income. Notably, she has shared the stage with renowned artists such as Beres Hammond and Freddie McGregor, performing at revered venues such as Carnegie Hall and Madison Square Garden. Additionally, her earlier collaboration with Bob Andy as the duo, Bob and Marcia, yielded hit singles, further boosting her earnings. Marcia Griffiths was born on November 23, 1949, in Kingston, Jamaica. Growing up in a musically inclined family, she was profoundly influenced by her father's singing voice, which nurtured her passion for music from a young age. Her journey into the music industry began in 1964, when she performed on stage with Byron Lee and the Dragonaires. It was Philip James of the Blues Busters who discovered her talent after hearing her sing in her neighborhood. Her performance was so captivating that both Ronnie Nasrallah and Clement Dodd offered her recording contracts the very next day. She ultimately chose to sign with Dodd's renowned Studio One label, marking the beginning of an illustrious career. Griffiths achieved her first taste of solo success in 1968 with the hit song Feel Like Jumping. This track, along with other early solo hits like Truly and Melody Life, was penned by her musical collaborator, Bob Andy. Between 1970 and 1974, Griffiths joined forces with Andy to form the duo Bob and Marcia, recording under the Harry J label. Their partnership resulted in several successful tracks, further establishing her as a formidable talent in the reggae scene. She also worked with producer Lloyd Chalmers, continuing to refine her distinct sound. Her career took another significant leap in 1974 when she became a member of the I-Threes, the legendary female backing trio for Bob Marley and the Wailers. Alongside Rita Marley and Judy Mowatt, Griffiths provided vocal harmonies that enriched Marley's music, helping to shape the global sound of reggae. During this period, she also continued to develop her solo career, working with renowned producers such as Sonia Pottinger and Joseph Hu Kim. By December 1982, Griffiths released the song Electric Boogie, written specifically for her by Bunny Wailer. The song was initially inspired by Eddie Grant's Electric Avenue, also released that year. Although it became a minor hit in Jamaica in early 1983, it wasn't until the song was remixed in 1989 that it gained worldwide recognition. The re-released version sparked the electric slide dance craze, making it a cultural phenomenon and solidifying Griffiths' place in music history. Electric Boogie reached number 51 on the US Billboard Hot 100 and remains the best-selling single by a female reggae artist to date. In the years that followed, Griffiths continued to make an impact on the music industry. She collaborated with producer Donovan Germain, delivering more hits and showcasing her enduring talent. In 2004, she was featured on Toots and the Maytals' Grammy-winning album True Love, alongside legendary musicians such as Willie Nelson, Eric Clapton, and Jeff Beck. Her contributions to reggae music were further highlighted in the 2011 BBC documentary Reggae Got Soul, the story of Toots and the Maytals. Griffiths' legacy extended to international recognition, as seen in the Brazilian documentary Reggae Meets Samba, produced in December 2013. As she celebrated 50 years in the music business in 2014, she announced the release of a special album, Songs That Inspire Me, Songs I Love to Sing, a collection of covers of songs that had influenced her throughout her career. Her commitment to her craft remained unwavering, and in 2018, she signed an exclusive booking deal with New York-based Donsum Records. Her contributions to reggae music have been honored with several prestigious awards. She was awarded the Jamaican Order of Distinction, recognizing her invaluable influence on the genre. In 2023, her illustrious career was further acknowledged when she was bestowed with the Order of Jamaica, one of the nation's highest honors. Next, this is probably the part we've been waiting for the most. Now we take you on a tour of her exclusive residence, house in St. James, Jamaica. Reggae legend Marcia Griffiths currently resides in a breathtaking estate in St. James, Jamaica. Nestled in a serene and picturesque setting, her home is a masterclass in architectural design, blending luxury with the relaxed island lifestyle for which the Caribbean is known. Spanning an impressive 3,500 square feet, the residence is a spacious retreat, offering 6 well-appointed bedrooms spread across the main house and a separate bungalow. The main house features 4.5 bedrooms, each designed with comfort and elegance in mind. Meanwhile, the separate 2-bedroom bungalow provides additional privacy, making it ideal for visiting family and friends. One of the most striking aspects of this magnificent home is its seamless integration with the natural surroundings. Oversized glass doors and open-concept spaces create an effortless flow between the indoors and the lush outdoors. The design maximizes natural light, while a large patio area extends from the dining and living spaces, leading to an expansive wooden deck. This deck, complete with a pristine swimming pool, serves as a perfect venue for hosting large family gatherings, entertaining guests, or simply relaxing while soaking in the warm Caribbean sun. The panoramic views from the property are nothing short of spectacular. From nearly every corner of the home, residents and visitors alike can enjoy sweeping vistas of the Caribbean Sea and the Bay, providing a tranquil and picturesque backdrop to everyday life. Whether taking in the scenery from the patio, lounging by the pool, or unwinding in the spacious living areas, the beauty of Jamaica is ever present. Beyond the confines of the home, the location offers an abundance of conveniences and attractions. Situated less than 5 minutes from 3 world-class golf courses, this home is a true haven for golf enthusiasts, providing easy access to a golfer's paradise. Additionally, the estate is conveniently located near premier shopping malls, vibrant nightlife, and stunning beaches, ensuring that entertainment and leisure are never far away. For those who travel frequently, the proximity to the international airport adds another layer of convenience, making this luxurious retreat as practical as it is beautiful. Marcia Griffiths' residence is more than just a home. It is a reflection of her extraordinary career and personal style. With its exquisite design, breathtaking views, and prime location, this estate embodies the perfect balance of sophistication and island charm, making it a true Caribbean gem. Philanthropy. Throughout her illustrious career, she has used her influence and resources to uplift those in need. Her philanthropic efforts reflect her deep-rooted dedication to community development, education, and overall societal well-being. In 2004, Griffiths established the Marcia Griffiths Foundation, a charitable organization dedicated to supporting initiatives that improve the lives of marginalized individuals. The foundation focuses on programs that benefit women, children, and the elderly, three groups that often face significant economic and social challenges in Jamaica and beyond. A notable contribution of the foundation is its scholarship program, which provides financial aid to aspiring musicians at the Edna Manley College of Visual and Performing Arts in Kingston, Jamaica. By offering these scholarships, Griffiths ensures that young, talented individuals have the opportunity to pursue their passion for music, regardless of financial constraints. Beyond her foundation, Griffiths has been actively involved in various charitable events aimed at promoting reggae music and supporting worthy causes. One such event is the annual Let There Be Reggae celebration, which pays tribute to reggae artists and their contributions to the genre. Her participation in such events underscores her unwavering dedication to both the music industry and humanitarian efforts. Griffiths has also shown support for organizations dedicated to improving public health in Jamaica. One such organization is the Heart Foundation of Jamaica, which has worked for over 5 decades to combat cardiovascular disease, the leading cause of death in the country. The foundation's mission includes raising awareness about heart health, conducting research, and providing treatment options to reduce premature mortality. Through initiatives such as golf tournaments and marathons, the Heart Foundation generates funding to support its life-saving programs. Another significant charitable organization that Griffiths has supported, either directly or indirectly, is Food for the Poor, Jamaica's largest charity. Founded in 1982, the organization is dedicated to addressing food and water insecurity, particularly in underprivileged communities affected by economic hardship and outdated infrastructure. Food for the Poor collaborates with local organizations, including churches, to provide essential resources such as nutritious meals, clean water, and housing assistance to families in desperate need. As she continues her legacy in reggae music, her humanitarian work remains an integral part of her story, solidifying her status as not only the Queen of Reggae, but also a true champion of the people. Personal life. Behind the bright stage lights and melodious harmonies, Griffiths has faced personal challenges that have shaped her resilience and artistry. During her early years in the music industry, Griffiths was in a loving relationship with Errol Thompson, a well-known DJ at the Jamaica Broadcasting Commission. Their bond extended beyond companionship as they built a family together, welcoming 2 children. Their partnership, rooted in a shared passion for music and culture, was tragically cut short when Thompson passed away in 1983. Thompson's death was a devastating blow to Griffiths, not only emotionally, but also in the responsibilities she had to shoulder as a single mother. The loss was even more heartbreaking because of the nature of his passing. He fell victim to gun violence, a tragedy that remains a painful chapter in her life. In later interviews, Griffiths has spoken candidly about the deep impact of this event, emphasizing how it influenced both her personal outlook and her music. One of the most touching aspects of Griffiths' life is the continuation of her musical legacy through her son, Johannes Tafari Thompson, affectionately known as Taff. Inspired by his mother's iconic career, Taff pursued music and has often shared the stage with her. For Griffiths, performing alongside her son is not only a proud moment as a mother, but also a way to keep the memory of their family's love and musical roots alive. Despite the hardships she has endured, Marcia Griffiths remains a beacon of strength and inspiration. Through her timeless voice and enduring legacy, she continues to touch hearts around the world. If you enjoyed exploring her world with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Join us next time as we delve deeper into the lives of more incredible individuals who inspire us every day. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.